Hamilton Beach Food Processor. Ever wish meal prep wasn't such a chore? Tired of endlessly chopping veggies? The Hamilton Beach Food Processor is here to simplify things. Its built-in bowl scraper saves so much time, you don't need to stop and scrape ingredients manually. This means faster, easier food processing for you. With its slicing and shredding disc, plus a chopping blade, you can slice, shred, chop, mix, and puree. Imagine quickly making salsa or salads. The powerful motor handles tough ingredients easily, so you spend less time prepping. Now, prepping meals is actually enjoyable. No more dreading the chopping. More time to relax and enjoy delicious homemade food. It's a reliable tool that makes cooking simpler. Turlar Immersion Blender Set 1100 Watt. Ever tried blending hot soup and ended up with a huge mess? Or maybe your current stick blender just leaves annoying chunks behind. The Turlar Immersion Blender lets you blend directly in the pot, giving you perfectly smooth results without the hassle. Its powerful 1100-watt motor tackles everything from fibrous vegetables to frozen fruit, ensuring you get a consistently velvety texture. The variable speed trigger is very intuitive. You just squeeze for a slow stir or harder for a powerful blitz. This gives you complete control and prevents splatters. Imagine making creamy tomato soup right in the pot with minimal cleanup. The scratch-free guard protects your cookware. This set streamlines your kitchen routine. Ultimate Probiotic Yogurt Maker. Do you find store-bought yogurt lacking flavor or freshness? Introducing the Ultimate Probiotic Yogurt Maker. Now you can easily make your own delicious probiotic-rich yogurt right at home. It features adjustable temperature and runtime controls, so you can perfectly culture yogurt for maximum probiotic benefits. You'll get 2 large, BPA-free containers, making big batches a breeze. Imagine enjoying fresh, natural yogurt without additives. It's incredibly simple. Just set the temperature and time, and the machine does the rest. The Ultimate Probiotic Yogurt Maker lets you create healthier snacks, customize flavors, and experience the joy of homemade goodness, backed by lifetime warranty. Cusin Centrifugal Juicer Extractor. Juggling a busy life means healthy habits can take a back seat, right? The Cusin Centrifugal Juicer Extractor makes fresh juice simple. Its powerful 800W motor works fast, extracting juice in seconds. The wide 3-inch feed chute saves you time. No need to pre-chop everything so small. 2 speeds handle everything from soft berries to hard carrots. Cleaning is easy too, so you can enjoy fresh, nutrient-packed juice without the hassle. Imagine starting your day with a vibrant glass of homemade juice, fueling your body quickly. The Cusin Juicer makes healthy living convenient and accessible. More energy, less prep time, a simpler way to boost your well-being. Ninja BN751 Professional Plus Blender. Struggling with chunky smoothies? The Ninja BN751 blender solves that. It uses total crushing tech for super smooth results. Forget icy bits and lingering chunks. You get a powerful 1400-watt motor, blending even tough ingredients. The big 72-ounce pitcher makes family-sized batches easy. 3 Auto IQ programs help you craft smoothies, frozen drinks, and nutrient-rich extractions. Dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze. Imagine starting your day with a perfectly blended, healthy smoothie, all prepped in minutes and cleaned up just as quickly. The Ninja BN751. Consistent results, effortless blending. Dash Hot Air Popcorn Popper movie night is set, but your microwave popcorn comes out greasy and half-burnt. It's such a letdown. That's why I started using the Dash Hot Air Popcorn Popper for a simpler, tastier snack. It uses just hot air, no oil, so you get light, fluffy popcorn that's a much healthier option. Operation is just 1 button, so it's incredibly easy to use. The included measuring cup also doubles as a butter melter right on top. As the machine works, your butter melts perfectly for that classic flavor. Imagine having 16 cups of fresh popcorn ready in minutes. The chute directs everything into the bowl, so cleanup is minimal. This machine delivers consistent, quality snacks without the oil or guesswork. Bella Classic Belgian Waffle Maker. Craving weekend waffles but dreading the sticky mess? The Bella Classic Belgian Waffle Maker solves that. It makes restaurant-quality 1-inch thick Belgian waffles right at home. Imagine enjoying perfectly golden waffles without the hassle. The non-stick plates mean waffles release easily, making cleanup a breeze. Plus, the rotating feature ensures even browning every single time. No more unevenly cooked waffles, just crispy, fluffy goodness. Picture this, a relaxed Sunday morning, the smell of delicious waffles filling your kitchen. No stress, no mess, just happy faces and a yummy breakfast. The Bella Waffle Maker makes it all possible, quickly and effortlessly. Ninja Slushy Frozen Drink Machine. Are you tired of watered-down drinks when trying to make slushies? The Ninja Slushy Machine is here to solve that. It uses rapid chill technology, so no ice is needed. Just pour in your favorite drink, wine, coffee, soda, anything, and select a program. You get perfect icy treats in minutes. The Auger system freezes liquids evenly, maintaining the right temperature for a smooth texture. Cleaning is simple, with dishwasher-safe parts. Imagine enjoying refreshing margaritas or frappes anytime, without the hassle. It's a fun way to create customizable frozen beverages for everyone. Now you can easily make delicious, icy drinks at home whenever you want. Magic Bullet Blender 11-piece set. Juggling mornings? Getting healthy meals on the table can feel impossible. The Magic Bullet Blender 11-piece set solves that. It blends, mixes, and chops fast. You get fresh smoothies or dips in seconds. Just add ingredients, press, and you're done. Cleaning is simple. Rinse or dishwasher. The 250-watt motor handles almost anything. Imagine quickly making salsa after work or a protein shake before the gym, with less mess and zero fuss. No bulky equipment, just fresh ingredients blended your way, easily and quickly. It's a simple way to add nutrition to your busy day. More time, less cleanup, healthier habits. KitchenAid Variable Speed Hand Blender. Ever wished you could skip dirtying a whole blender? The KitchenAid Variable Speed Hand Blender lets you blend right in your pot. It's the solution for quick, easy blending with less cleanup. The variable speed trigger gives you precise control, so you can get the perfect texture every time, whether you're making a smoothie or whipping cream. Plus, the removable 8-inch blending arm with its 4-point stainless steel blade makes quick work of smoothies, soups, or even hummus. Imagine making a smooth soup right in the pot, or a single-serve smoothie in the included 3-cup jar. Its compact size and easy cleaning mean you'll actually use it. A versatile tool for perfect blends every time. Keurig K Supreme Coffee Maker. That first cup of coffee in the morning sets the tone for the day, and there's nothing worse than a weak, watery brew. I wanted that rich, coffee shop taste without wasting a full pot. The Keurig K Supreme changed my routine. Its multi-stream technology is key. It saturates the grounds evenly, pulling out so much more flavor and aroma. Your coffee just tastes better. Plus, the 66-ounce reservoir can sit on the side or back, saving valuable counter space. My mornings feel so much more efficient. I can brew a strong 12-ounce cup for my travel mug and another one right after. You get that single-serve convenience, but with a noticeably richer, full-bodied flavor in every single cup. Tasty single-serve coffee maker. Making a full pot of coffee when you just need 1 cup feels wasteful, especially in a small kitchen or RV where counter space is precious. The tasty single-serve coffee maker is designed for exactly this. It gives you total flexibility. You can pop in a K-cup pod or use the included filter for your favorite ground coffee. The simple one-button operation means you get a hot cup in about 3 minutes. Its compact size with a built-in handle makes it easy to move or pack. Now you can start your day with a quick, fresh brew made just for you, without any waste or complicated cleanup. It's just a straightforward way to get your personal coffee fix anywhere you need it. Kitcheck Shop Coffee Mug Warmer. Ever get stuck with lukewarm coffee halfway through your work? It's the worst. This is the Kitcheck Shop Coffee Mug Warmer, a simple solution. It keeps your coffee, tea, or hot chocolate perfectly warm for hours. It boasts fast heating, so you're not waiting around. You can customize the temperature with 4 settings, ensuring your drink is always exactly how you like it. Plus, the auto shut-off timer gives you peace of mind. Imagine consistently warm beverages throughout your day. No more rushing to finish before it gets cold. It's easy to clean, compact, and makes enjoying your favorite drinks stress-free. It's about savoring every sip, all day long. NutriBullet Baby Food Making System. Making baby food can be so time-consuming, right? All those separate pots and pans. The NutriBullet Baby Food Making System simplifies everything. It steams and blends in one device, so you get fresh, healthy purees with less mess. You control the ingredients, ensuring wholesome food for your little one. It even includes storage cups with date dials. Now you can easily prep batches, freeze, and track freshness. This system is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Imagine quickly whipping up nutritious meals, storing them easily, and spending less time in the kitchen. It's a convenient way to give your baby the best start. Brio Bottom-Loading Water Cooler. Struggling to lug those heavy water bottles? The Brio Bottom-Loading Water Cooler solves that. No more straining your back. This dispenser holds 3 or 5-gallon bottles loaded from the bottom. So easy. You get hot, cold, and room temperature water, perfect for any drink. Imagine instantly hot water for tea or refreshing cold water after a workout. Plus, there's a child safety lock on the hot water. Now, think about how much simpler your day becomes. Hydration is effortless. No spills, no heavy lifting, just fresh water when you want it. It's a sleek, convenient upgrade for your home or office that truly simplifies life. Beka French Press Coffee Maker. Is your morning coffee routine a bit underwhelming? The Beka French Press Coffee Maker might be the answer. This press uses durable borosilicate glass and stainless steel, so you get pure coffee flavor. You'll taste the natural oils without any grit for a richer brew. It's designed for easy cleaning. The glass carafe comes apart quickly. Imagine starting your day with a consistently delicious cup made effortlessly. The sleek design complements any kitchen, and the process lets you watch your coffee brew. The Beka press offers cafe-quality flavor from your own home. Finally, better coffee made simply. Dash Mini Waffle Maker. Struggling with rushed weekday breakfasts? Mornings can be chaotic, but what if you could make fun, quick waffles? The Dash Mini Waffle Maker is the answer. It cooks 4-inch waffles in minutes, perfect for a fast, easy breakfast. The non-stick surface means waffles release easily and cleanup is a breeze for you. Plus, the indicator light shows when it's ready, so you can get cooking quickly and effortlessly. Imagine serving cute, personalized waffles without the fuss. The Dash Mini makes breakfast simple and enjoyable, saving you time and making mornings a little brighter. It's an easy way to add